Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how I turned this photo from this to this using FaceApp, AirBrush and Lightroom. We will start by installing the apps. So go to your Play Store if you are using an Android phone, or to your App Store if you are using an iPhone. Then search and install FaceApp, AirBrush and Lightroom. Okay, after installing them, next is to open each of them and set them up. I'll open Lightroom. I'll tap on skip. Then you can sign up or you can sign in with your Facebook, your Google or your Apple. I'll be signing in with my Facebook. I'll tap on Facebook. Okay, next I'll tap on X. I'll close it. Next, I'll open AirBrush. I'll tap on skip. I'll tap on X. Then I'll tap on I agree to the terms of service. And I'll tap on I agree to the privacy policy. I'll tap on continue. Okay, that is all for AirBrush. I'll close it. Next, I'll open FaceApp. I'll tap on next. Let's get started. Okay, I'll tap on X. I'll tap on allow. Okay, then I'll close it. It's time to edit my photo. Open the photo that you want to edit. Tap on the share button that is below your photo. If using an iPhone, tap on the up arrow button below your photo. Okay, you will see list of apps that you can share your photo to. If you can, okay, we will be opening it with FaceApp first. If you cannot find FaceApp here, just tap on the three dots here. Okay, when you tap on it, you will see lots of more apps. That's where you can find FaceApp if you cannot find it down here. So I'll tap on FaceApp. I'll tap on agree, since this is my first time of using the app. Okay, for this video we'll be using just the free features of FaceApp. Okay, my hair is covered, so I won't be going to hairstyles. Let's tap on hairstyles. You can make your hair longer, you can make it a bob cut, but I won't be using this since my hair is covered. I'll be going straight to makeup. I'll tap on makeup. I'll tap on makeup 4. This is the only free one here, so I'll tap on makeup 4 and I'll tap on apply. Then next, if you want to add a smile, you can add a smile to it. It has one free smiling feature here. You can tap on classic, but I don't want it. So this is it. It's kind of cute anyway, but I don't want it, so I'll cancel. You can change your hair colors. Next, you can tap on age. Young 2 or young 3 is what I mostly use, but if I tap on young 2, this is it. You can see before, after. So I'll apply. So next, I'll go to filters. You can choose any filter that you want, but I will be using Moco. You can adjust it to the level that you want. You can see me moving it. You can take it all the way to the end. I think I will be taking it all the way to the end. So I'll tap on apply. Okay, next, I'll tap on lens blur and I'll tap on bokeh. Okay, I'll leave it around the middle part. You can see all the way to the end. I'll just leave it around the middle part. I'll tap apply. Okay, that will be all for FaceApp. So I'll click save. Okay, next I'll open my gallery. Open my recent photos. I will tap on it. You can see it. Okay, I will tap on share again. Then I will share. Okay, first I'll tap on presets. You can see the pictures that have the diamond sign on it. They are the pro features of the app. You can actually use them by subscribing, or you can watch an ad or share the app. So, but for this video, I'll be using mostly the free features of the app. So I'll scroll and tap on. I'll be using Glam. You can see it doesn't have the diamond sign on it, so I'll tap. Okay, I love using this Glam because it has three features under it. It has the retouch, it has the sculpt, it will shape in your face, your nose, then it has the makeup. So you can, anyone that you don't want, just take it to 0. So mostly I use the retouch and the sculpt, but makeup depends. So you can see the makeup, when I take it to 100, you can actually reduce it. So because I want to add some makeup to my photo, so I will leave it around 70. For the sculpt, you can see, look at the difference. You can see my nose increasing when I take it to 0. Okay, I'll take it to 82. I'll take it to 72. I'll be leaving them at 70. You can see the retouch, I'll leave at 70. The sculpt 70. The same with the makeup. You can leave them, you can take them all the way to 100 depending on how you want it. When I'm done, you can see the before. Just tap on this and hold it. You can see the before, you can see the after. So I'll tap on good. Next, when it's on retouch, you can see tap on retouch. Then I'll go to smooth. I'll tap on auto. You can see it will automatically select my skin. So I'll take it, you can take it all the way to 100, but it looks a little bit fake. So I'll take it to 70. I'll be leaving it at 70. So you can actually reduce it if you want. I'll tap on good. Okay, next I'll tap on skin tone. Then I'll tap on auto. Okay, depending on the skin tone you want, you can actually leave it. I think I'll be choosing this third one. If you want it fair, you scroll. Look at, let me show you. When I tap on this fair, you can see. Then you can increase it to all the way to 100. You can see. So this is it. If you want the original one, take it to 0. But I'll be choosing it. I think I'll choose the third one. I love the third one. I'm dark skin, so I'll take it to 70. You can actually skip this step if you don't want it. So I love this, so I'll tap on good. The next, I'll tap on details. So you can detail anything. Let's say your jewelry, it will make your jewelry to pop. For this one, I want to detail my headgear, since that's what I'm sampling. You can detail anything you want. So I'll reduce my brush. You can reduce your brush size so it won't be too big, maybe too. Then I will highlight my headwear. You can see it sparkling. Okay, when I'm done, you can see the before, the after. You can see this is a pro feature of the app. So I'll tap on good. You can see what it will display, whether I should subscribe, but I won't be subscribing. I'll tap on X. It will now pop up option for me to share. So I'll tap on share. You can share to any social media that you want. I'll tap on Instagram. I'll send. When I'm done, I'll go back to the app. I'll tap on the app. You can see. Then I'll tap good. You can see. Highlighter, you can tap on it. It's also a pro feature of the app. If you want to highlight anything, you can highlight your nose, anything that you want, but I won't be using that. I'll go to whiten. If your mouth is a little bit open, if your teeth is showing, tap on it. Then I'll tap on automatic. Then you can see I'll leave it at 70. I'll tap on good. Okay, next I'll go to brighten. I'll tap on brighten. I'll click on anything that you want to brighten. You can, if you're putting on a white top, a white shirt, just select it and it will brighten it. It will make it whiter. But for this, I'll tap on auto. It will select my eyes automatically. I think I will be leaving it at that 72. You can see the before, the after. I'll tap on good. Okay, I'm done for this. If you want to remove any dark circles, you can tap on it. So next, I'll go to tools. I'll tap on tools. Okay, to remove this face app, you can actually, most times I use two options depending on the picture. You can see this face app is actually on my cloth, so I'll be using the eraser option. But if it's not, you can actually crop it out. Just tap on adjust and just crop it out. You can see, just crop it out and mark good. You can see it's gone. Or I'll go back. If you made a mistake, you can go back, click on this backward arrow to go back, and you can see. So I'll tap on eraser, the eraser. I'll tap on it. I'll tap on got it, and I'll reduce my brush to about 12. There are two ways I use the eraser tool. You can just place your hand and highlight what I want to remove. You can see it. Or I'll tap on this backward arrow. I'll tap on it. Or you can just tap on it. I think I use mostly this. You can see it going out. You can see, perfect. You can see. So I'm okay with this. Next, you can see some black spots on my chest. You can use it to remove any black spots on your body. So I'll tap. You can see it. Oh, I love this app so much. When I'm satisfied with everything, I'll tap on good. I'll tap on red light. Okay, this is just to focus the light on a particular place that you want. Look at Studio 2. It's on Studio 1 now. Studio 2, Studio 3. Just try them out and choose the one that you want. I'll use Studio 1. But if your photo is already too bright, please don't use it. I'll reduce it to 30. Okay, next, I'll tap on this center color hue. You can choose the hue that you want, but I won't be using it, so I'll just take it back. Okay, that is all. I'll tap on good. Then next, I'll tap on enhance. I'll tap on sharpen. I'll sharpen it to 10. You can tap on saturation. I'll take it to, don't saturate it too much. Maybe I'll take it to 10 too. Then I will tap on highlight. I'll take it to -10. Then I'll tap on shadow and take it to +10. I'll tap on good. Okay, next I'll tap on makeup. Okay, next I'll tap on lips. You can choose any lip color that you want. I think I will be choosing this. I'll be using mostly the free ones, so I'll use this ND02. I'll tap on blush. I'll use this PK01. I'll leave it at 70. You can see the 100, but I will take it to 70. I'll tap on contouring. You can contour. I'll use the natural one. It's free. I'll leave it at 72. I'll tap the eyebrow. I'll be using the BR01. It's free. It's free too. I'll take it to 50. You can take it all the way to 100 depending on what you want. Okay, I'll tap on eyelashes. I'll be using Lush, and I'll take it to 80. Okay, then eyeliner, I'll use the classic one. I'll leave it at 80. Then eyeshadow, you can choose any one you want, but I don't want to use it. So eye color, you can use any color on your eyes. Let's try this. You can see you can reduce it depending on what you want, but I won't be using it. so I'll click none. Okay, that will be all. I'll tap on good. Okay, next I'll tap on this download button that is up here to save the photo. The photo will be saved in your camera photo, so I'll go to my gallery. Then you can see it here. See my camera photos is there, or you can go to your recent photos and open it. Look at it here. So next I'll share it to Lightroom. I'll tap on Lightroom. I'll tap on allow. Okay, you can see this Lightroom logo showing up here, so I'll bring down this. You can see it's import finished. I'll tap on it. I'll tap on all photos. You can see the photo here. I'll tap on it. Okay, I'll tap on skip. Next I'll tap on presets. I'll tap on yours. I'll tap on color. Okay, mostly I use natural, bright and vivid depending on the photo, but mostly natural. Tap on natural. I'll click on this square shape here to set it to the level that I want. You can take it, you can reduce it, or you can take it to the front. I'll be leaving it around 170, 180. You can take it all the way to 200. You can see the before and the after. So I'll leave it at 180. Okay, this is it. This is the before and this is the after. Okay, when I'm satisfied, I'll tap on good up here. Then I'll tap on the share button that is up here, and I'll tap on save to device. I'll tap on OK. So that is all. So let me open it. I'll click on recent and I'll tap on it. You can see it here. Thank you for watching. Bye.